Possessive pronouns or pronombres posesivos in Spanish. Mine, in Spanish we say mío, or mía, or míos, or mías. Depends on whether the noun is masculine or feminine, and whether it is plural or singular. So for example, if we are talking about the noun car, in Spanish there are several words for car. One, maybe the most popular one is coche, okay? Coche is a masculine noun, it is el coche. So if we are talking of el coche, the car, in singular we will say el auto es mío, okay? If it's in the plural, it's los autos son míos, the cars are mine, okay? It's as if we added an S to mine for the plural, as if we said the cars are mines, okay? Which in English is incorrect, but in Spanish we have to do it. Now, instead of a car, instead of coche, which is a masculine noun, we use the word for casa, the word house. Casa is a feminine noun. In Spanish, nouns that end in A are feminine. So since casa is feminine, we would say la casa es mía, with A, mía, to say the house is mine, okay? And if it is in the plural, like these houses are mine, estas casas son mías, we would say mías in feminine and plural, okay? So remember, the possessive pronouns in Spanish change their ending depending on whether it is a masculine or a feminine noun that they are referring to, and whether the noun we are referring to is in the singular or in the plural, okay? Therefore, I have added all these different variations, right? These different endings. So, for mine would be mío, or mía, or míos, or mías, okay, etc. Yours would be tuyo, or tuyo, right? In most Spanish-speaking countries, the Y and the double L is pronounced y, right? Tuyo. In Argentina or in Uruguay, where I come from, it is tuyo, okay? More like the English SH, okay? Tuyo for yours. His or hers would be suyo, okay? For ours or ours would be nuestro. Yours, for you all, in the plural, would be vuestro, okay? In Spain. Now, in Latin America, they would say suyo, okay? The same as theirs, which is suyo, okay? Or suya, or suyos, or suyas, okay? Also, now take a look at this. I said that his is suyo, hers also. But there's another way we can say his or hers or ours, yours, theirs, okay? We can say for his, we can say de él, okay? De él literally means of he, because de, the preposition de means of, okay? Of. So, to say that something is his, you can also say it is of he, or it is of she, okay? Or it is of we, or of you, or of they, okay? This is another way, also correct, which also has its advantages, to say his, de él, hers, you would say de ella, ours, ours, de nosotros, or de nosotras, if the we is a group of women, okay, of girls, we would say nosotras, it would be feminine. The masculine in Spanish is not only used for groups of exclusively men, but also for mixed groups. So the masculine grammatical form is generic in Spanish. Okay, so if you have a mixed group of people, or even a group which you do not know how it is formed, whether it's men or women or whatever, you always by default use the masculine, okay? The feminine is used exclusively when you're sure it's a group of women. Now, for yours would be de vosotros if you're in Spain, or de ustedes if you are in Latin America. Okay? And vosotros also changes for masculine or feminine. So vosotros or vosotras. Okay? And theirs would be de ellos or de ellas, literally of they masculine or of they feminine. Okay, the only two that do not have this other way, this alternative, are mine and yours. Okay, you cannot say esto es de yo or de tú. Okay, so mine, you can only say it mío, and yours tuyo or tuya, etc. Okay. Now I'll show you the benefits of using this. Let's see a few examples with sentences. Very simple sentences. Este lápiz es mío. Okay. This pencil is mine. Mío is a possessive pronoun, el pronombre posesivo. Lápiz is a masculine noun, okay? And it is in the singular. Therefore, the ending is o, mío, okay? It's not mía, and it is not míos either, okay? It's singular. Este bolígrafo es tuyo. This ballpoint pen is yours, okay? Bolígrafo is a pen, but more specifically the ballpoint pen, okay? So, tuyo means yours. Bolígrafo, you see it ends in O, it is a masculine noun, and it is in the singular. It doesn't finish in S. Therefore, the pronoun yours, tuyo, ends in O and not with an S. Next. Este dinero es de ella. This money is hers, or literally of she. Okay? I can also say este dinero es suyo. Okay? Why suyo? Now you will ask me, why suyo and not suya if I'm talking of her, right? However, what determines the ending of the pronoun is not the owner, but the thing it is referring to, okay? The thing is the money. We are talking about the money. Money ends in O. That means that it is a masculine noun, and it is singular. Therefore, suyo, if we were to use suyo, would be suyo with O at the end, okay? Este dinero es suyo, or este dinero es de ella. This money is hers. Now, why would we choose to say de ella instead of suyo? So, when it is obvious that we are talking about her, we can say, if we want, if we prefer, este dinero es suyo, okay? However, if we wanted to make it more clear that we are talking about a her and not about a him or his, right? We would say de ella, because suyo doesn't specify, it's not clear whether I'm talking about him or her. However, if I say de ella, it's clear I'm talking about something that belongs to her. If I say de él, it's clear, obvious that I'm talking about something that is his. Okay? Este dinero es de ella. I know that the money belongs to her. If I say este dinero es suyo, it's really not understood. Estas cosas son nuestras. These things are ours. Okay? Again, nuestras. It ends in A. Does that mean that the group of people is a group of ladies? No, it's not necessarily. Not necessarily. It means that the things that we are talking about here, cosas, which is things, is feminine. It's a feminine noun, okay? Because cosa ends in A, it is feminine. And it ends in an S, that means it's plural. Therefore, nuestras ends in AS, feminine plural, okay? Este regalo es de ustedes. This present, this gift is yours, right? Yours plural. Regalo, another word for regalo is presente, present, okay? Este regalo, this present, es de ustedes, right? Ustedes is the noun, the pronoun we use in Latin America. You can also say es de vosotros or de vosotras, okay? And of course you can also say es suyo, or since we are talking about cosas, you would say suyas. Estas cosas son suyas, sorry, we are here. Este regalo es suyo. Este regalo es suyo, because regalo is masculine noun, ends in O, and it is singular. And the last one, estos libros son de ellos. These books are de ellos, or are of they, or are theirs, okay? Libros is masculine, el libro, right? A masculine noun. And it is plural, because it ends in S. Books. Therefore, if we were to replace de ellos for suyos, we would say suyos, right? Libros suyos. Okay? Estos libros son, are suyos. And if we want to make it clear, because if I say suyos, we don't know if it is a they masculine or they feminine, or if it is a yours, or if it is a his or a hers, right? You see that suyo is very inspecific, okay? You don't know who is the subject. Therefore, you can choose to say estos libros son de ellos, right? If it's a group of men, or de ellas if it's a group of women. Okay? This is all for today. Remember, you can comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next class.